Here we go. New system. Again, this is the twin, because I always order two systems at the same time. Being cut in, going to keep the style the same. Just need some work. The floppy new systems, hair systems. Right, let's have a go. I'm going to use some Tresemme now, which is a conditioner. Because adhesive has just been applied, you can't really get the hair system wet on the base for 24 hours. So just use this, put it through my hands, keeping the wetness away from the actual lace base. Get in there. Being careful for the front. Height there. No idea what it looks like behind. Hopefully I've done a good job. Do my normal spin. Bit of separation. And I'm good to go.